Not everyone is meant to be in your future. Some people are just passing through to teach you lessons in life. Just because you are struggling doesn't mean you are failing. If you want to be happy, don't dwell in the past. Don't worry about the future. Focus on living fully in the present. Leadership is not about size, it's about knowledge and wisdom. Character is revealed when pressure is applied. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Happy is the person who learns to wait as he prays and never loses his patience. Allah will give you the best. Motivate yourself, don't listen to those who only see your mistakes. Courage doesn't mean you don't get afraid. Courage means you don't let fear to stop you. Don't choose to love the most beautiful person in the world. Choose to love the one who makes your world the most beautiful. When people throw stones at you, don't throw them back. Collect them all and build an empire. Nobody can make you happy if you are not happy inside. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. One of the most sincere forms of respect is actually listening to what another has to say.